All right. I feel like such a goofball doing this. All right. So, scoot you back a little bit so it doesn't cut off my head. So this part right here, we're going to talk about what we did in Zearn today. And this is a little bit, just a little piece of the warm-up, the fluency activity, and then we're going to get into the small group lesson. So the part that we did at the beginning and the part that we did at the end in class today. So everything we're doing right now in this Unit 4 is all about the place value chart. And you need to be able to make one of these at home. You have ones, tens, and hundreds. You have this whole place value chart. You should be able to make any number 0 to 1,000. Let's make the number 156. So you have 100 and then 50, so 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I make all of my little circles. I just started making them in circles. You can make dots, but I found that takes more time for me, so I just make the circles. Now that I see that, they may be harder to see. I'll scoot you in a little bit. Boom. There we go. So you can see my little circles there. I have 100, I have 5 tens, and I have 6 ones. You should be able to take any number and change it up 5, down 5, up 10, down 10, up 1, down 1. So you should be able to increase, basically, take away or add tens, hundreds, or ones. That's what we're working on right now. So what if I said, what is 5 less than 156? I don't have another color marker, but I'll just mark these off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 less than 156 is 151. We can do it that way. What about 5 more? We don't need to use this chart, but we will. I know that 56 plus 5 equals 61. So 5 more than 156 is 161. But we can also do it the long way and add the ones. So we're going to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I circle my group of 10. I rebundle them and move them over to the tens place. I add the 10 ones as 110. Make sure that you don't count those. So now you have 100, you have 6 tens, and then you have 1, 1. 161. That's our new number. All right, so what we did in class today is I would give a number and the students would tell me what's 5 more. So the first number, was 19. I'll scoot over here. What's 5 more than 19? 19 plus 5 equals 24. The second number was 67. 67 plus 5 equals 72. The next number is 95. Oop, yep, you can still see. 95 plus 5 equals 100. You need to be able to do this forwards and backwards, adding 5 and taking away 5. But we'll get to that later. Now let's do the small group lesson. Okay, so